We all know how valuable our bookmarks are, right? So in this video, we'll show you how to export and import bookmarks from Google Chrome to any browser, and also share them seamlessly with others. Let's dive right into it. Let's explore the easiest method for exporting and sharing your Chrome bookmarks via an HTML file. Keep in mind that this method will export all your bookmarks, and will import them all to your new browser. And you can share this HTML file with others as well. First things first, fire up your Google Chrome browser to begin exporting your bookmarks. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Bookmarks. From the drop-down menu, choose Bookmark Manager, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+O for Windows and Linux. For Mac, press Command+Option+B. Now, within the Bookmark Manager, click on the three-dot menu icon again, and this time select Export Bookmarks. Now choose a location on your computer and enter the name, and save an HTML file of your bookmarks. And you can also import your bookmarks here. Instead of selecting the export option, select Import Bookmarks, and locate your HTML file to successfully import your bookmarks into Google Chrome. Now let's move on to importing those bookmarks into your new browser of choice. I'll be using the Brave browser, but the process is similar across most browsers. Here's how you can import the bookmarks. First, open your preferred browser and look for its Settings or Options menu. In my case, it's hidden behind a hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Next, click on Bookmarks to access the Bookmark Manager. Then, click on the three-dot menu again and select Import Bookmarks. A File Explorer window will pop up. Now locate the HTML file we just exported from Google Chrome. Voila! Your bookmarks are now being imported and synced successfully to your profile. Well, that wraps up our tutorial on exporting and importing bookmarks from Google Chrome to any browser. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time.